Hello and welcome back. Today I'll be repairing my annealing kiln. It's running way past the target temperature. It looks like one of the relays may have burnt out, so I'll go ahead and replace both of them since the other one's probably not too far behind. And now before you repair any appliance, it's best to take some photos or a video of inside. That way you can compare with your finished work to make sure that you reassembled everything correctly. And so I'm just moving the wires from the old part to the new part, trying to make it look exactly like it was. You want to grab and pull on the colored connectors themselves and not the actual wire, as you could pull the wire right out of the connector. You might need to buy a new connector in order to recrimp the wire, as all these connections should be very tight. If the connectors feel loose when you reinstall them, you might want to recrimp the ends down a little bit so they're tight. And now these new relays do have a connector moved to a different spot. Sometimes when you purchase replacement parts, the wiring can be different. All the wires moved over on the first relay, I'm going to go ahead and switch them out physically. And now this kind of repair work can be done on a lot of household appliances. It can take some extra time and effort, but will save you some money from hiring a repair person. Everything from plumbing to HVAC, even the simple vacuum cleaner, except for electrical repairs, as that could be potentially dangerous. Like here, I'm trying to space the wires out a little bit so that they're not contacting each other. They are insulated, however, the larger power wire might throw off the sensor wire with some EMF radiation.
Don't explode, don't explode. Oh, that's a good sign. Does make a buzzing noise. And so at 1050, we'll see if this repair worked or if it'll just keep rolling right through. 3, 2, 1. Oh, I believe it is working. It's going to drop a few degrees, come up a few degrees, drop a few degrees. Over time, it kind of figures out how to get to 1050 or keep at 1050.
And now if you want to learn more about how to use a kiln or why we use them, go ahead and check out my video, Kiln Operation and Thermal Expansion. I hope your repair goes well. Leave a comment if you have any questions, subscribe, and of course, stay melty.